Welcome to our discussion on the 10 most visited places in Victoria. As we all know, Victoria is a beautiful state with a rich history and cultural heritage. Let's dive into the top destinations that draw millions of tourists each year. 1. Melbourne. The capital of Victoria is a bustling metropolis with a vibrant atmosphere and a rich cultural scene. It's famous for its bustling CBD, beautiful parks, and world-class museums and galleries. 2. Queen Victoria Market, a bustling outdoor market located in the heart of Melbourne, featuring an extensive selection of fresh food and produce, souvenir stalls, cafes and bars, and live music and entertainment. 3. Federation Square, a lively public space in the CBD. Federation Square is a hub for events, concerts, and street performances, as well as a great place to grab a coffee or bite to eat. 4. The Melbourne Zoo, a world-renowned zoo located in the heart of the city. The Melbourne Zoo features an impressive array of animal species from around the world. 5. Yarra Valley, a picturesque wine region in the eastern part of Victoria. Yarra Valley is known for its stunning landscapes, world-class wineries, and delicious food. 6. St Kilda, a beachside suburb in Melbourne known for its picturesque sunsets, historic amusement park, and bohemian lifestyle. 7. Daylesford, a picturesque gold mining town in the Blue Mountains National Park. Daylesford is known for its stunning natural beauty, outdoor activities, and thermal spas. 8. Great Ocean Road, a 243-kilometer coastal drive that takes you through some of the most stunning coastal landscapes in Victoria, featuring breathtaking beaches, rock formations, and charming seaside towns. 9. Phillip Island, home to the world-famous Penguin Parade. Phillip Island is a nature lover's paradise, witnessing the penguins waddling back home. The island also boasts stunning coastal scenery, diverse wildlife, and opportunities for surfing, fishing, and hiking. 10. Melbourne's Dandenong Ranges National Park, a beautiful and remote national park. Located in the Dandenong Ranges in the eastern part of Victoria, the park features stunning landscapes, hiking trails, and waterfalls.